The sun shines through the misty clouds. The bitter winter is over for tea trees. Spring arrives at last. Picking spring tea leaves is the top priority for residents of the Wuyi Mountains. The rush will last until early May. Early spring in the Wuyi Mountains features big temperature differences between day and night, and high air humidity too. These conditions can stimulate the decomposition of glycosides, thus creating a mild fragrance out of fresh leaves. Here is the producing area of a famous kind of oolong tea, namely the Wuyi rock tea. Rocks that were formed after the volcano eruption eventually weathered into red gravel soil, offering the tea trees rich minerals and organic substances. They give the Wuyi rock tea a special aromatic charm. Because of the different terrain and wind directions, rock teas vary in taste. The 6 remaining mother trees of Da Hong Pao tea are the oldest provenance of rock teas. Growing tenaciously in the crevices of the cliff, they have survived for more than 360 years. All the tea trees that grow around these mother trees are their grafted descendants. Among the exposed rocks in the long and narrow valleys, rock tea trees grow in clusters. The leaves are picked and processed using special techniques to make semi-fermented tea, which usually has the fragrance of flowers. Suitable habitats for tea trees are more than the mountain gullies. Like a saddle in the fault zone of the Wuyi Mountains, the Tongmu Pass sits at an altitude of 1,100 meters. Gurgling streams flow through the lush forests. It is the territory of Lapsang Souchong, the ancestor of black tea. The annual mean temperature of the region is between 8 and 18 degrees Celsius. This keeps the tea sprouts fresh for a long time. The unique climate conditions contributes to the wildness of the Lapsang Souchong. Hence, it is regarded as the alpine nomad in tea. Pine wood is the key in making traditional Lapsang Souchong. When the dried tea leaves are baked with pine wood fire, they fully absorb the smoky flavor and eventually ferment into Souchong black tea. They were introduced to Europe in the 17th century before they became popular worldwide in the name of Wuyi Tea. It is considered the first kind of black tea in the world. Wuyi Mountains are home to nearly 10,000 hectares of tea fields. The annual output reaches 21,000 tons. It is one of the world's most important tea-producing areas. Every tea leaf has absorbed the essence of nature, reflecting the charm of spring in the Wuyi Mountains.